equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for dusting. First, make sure your Dyson DC62 is unplugged and completely powered off. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. You will see a small panel secured by screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the panel off to expose the battery. You might notice some dust or debris inside the compartment. It's a good idea to use your clean cloth to wipe away any dirt, ensuring a clean environment for the new battery. Now, you can see the battery connected to the vacuum. To remove it, locate the release tab on the battery. Press this tab while gently pulling the battery out. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new battery with the connectors in the compartment. Push it in firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. After the new battery is installed, replace the panel you removed earlier. Secure it with the screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure the panel is flush against the vacuum to avoid any gaps. Now, it's time to test your Dyson DC62. Plug it in and turn it on. If everything is working correctly, you should notice improved suction and performance. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Finally, ensure you dispose of the old battery properly. Many local councils in Australia have specific recycling programs for batteries, so check with your local waste management for guidance. In summary, replacing the battery in your Dyson DC62 is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance its performance. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to tackle this yourself, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel, just a simple, efficient service at your convenience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.